I'm currently the co-director of the Open Energy Outlook initiative, and the goal is to build open access energy system models that we are also using to evaluate energy transitions, particularly around decarbonization issues to meet climate stabilization targets. We think the initiative has two different impacts. One of them is that we're building open source tools that other researchers or analysts can use. And so we think by opening our model to the broader community, we could improve the efficiency, provide access to people who would not usually have access for their own research. But also we are really trying to make it open for collaboration so that if other people use it and they make improvements or they add modules, we can incorporate those. We published our first Open Energy Outlook report at the Global Clean Energy Action Forum, which was held here in Pittsburgh. And that report looked at some analyses at different decarbonization pathways up to 2050. We're now working on an update of that report where we are incorporating some of the recent policy that have passed.
One of my goals over the next few years is to grow the corporate consortium for the Open Energy Outlook Initiative. I am an engineer on paper, and I love engineering, but I really like the social science aspects of how economies and people interact with technologies, and I think those are really important in our energy and decarbonization transitions. So I'm really excited to bring that experience and that passion to the Open Energy Outlook Initiative. Consortium members will consist of corporate entities, NGOs, and hopefully public policymakers, and we hope that they can provide financial support to sustain the initiative.
I've been working on this type of research for 20 years now, and I'm really passionate about this work and really creating useful information, actionable information that can support decision making to really spur the transition that we need to accelerate if we're going to be meeting climate stabilization targets.